Menta ka khatlai tarik uno pra arhajar arpuar Menteri Rangba kajilla ula play a santli ki maunong rim hakaju kajaka hapenrusla kabakentup bantay ya ka mini secretariat CNRD block Iklavia Model Residential School ka football stadium hawa lingkhat bat kapenrusla division PWD habakren hakajingalang u Conrad ulaong ba ka Sorkar ka Shim South pa Klur nakabenta ban pentry kam Iaka Skim focus nakabenta banyarap ikinong rep kajila. Menta kidon kumba saulak shiteng AA kinong rep kibayo jing mentoy naka Skim ka Sorkar. Ulaong bahakini ki sausnem na lor ki babuan ki jing ka Sorkar kalala banwanra shibun ki kampenroy bat ka gross domestic product kajila kalakiyo siya ka pra 0.1% bat kajila kawan hakakardan ba arpo haka GDP hakari. Hakani kasngi Menteri Rangba lembat usimbut Menteri Rangba uba prestun tinsong kilasam ru yakicek bat kisniang siar syakinong rep kapenusla blok.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a proud moment for us all. As the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister is unveiling the flags of the 5 foundation stones which include the Mini Secretariat building, the CNRD block building, the Iaka Model Residential School, the football stadium at Wallingford, and the Peninsula Division PWD roads. Nangit.
Have brought multiple challenges to this MDA government. But in spite of the challenges that we faced, different law and order situations that we had, it is our commitment towards the people of our state, our clear vision that we are here to serve the people, our clear commitment towards ensuring that we listen to the people has taken us through all those difficult challenges that we faced. And I can very confidently tell you that the challenges that we faced in the last 5 years have been very, very tough. But in spite of these challenges, and in spite of these difficulties coming along our way, instead of weakening us, these challenges have only strengthened us. It has made us even stronger. As a government, we have put across a vision that we will take Meghalaya to the making Meghalaya in the top 10 states in the next 10 years. When we had taken over the government in 2018, we had a great challenge in terms of economic reforms that we had to do. We were one of the states with the lowest gross domestic product as GDP in the entire country. In fact, we ranked at the bottom. But it is a commitment of each and every person working in the government, the entire team, the entire machinery, in spite of COVID challenge that we faced, that in the year 2021-2022, Meghalaya recorded one of the highest growths in gross domestic product compared to any other state in the country. In fact, we had a growth rate of almost 8.5% in spite of the COVID challenges we faced. And that growth has brought our GDP ranking today from being at the bottom. Today we are in the top 20 within 5 years. And I'm hoping that as we move along and as we work with complete commitment to each and every citizen of our state, we will achieve our goal of being in the top 10 states in the next 5 years. And it is with this commitment and this spirit and this goal that we are working and why we are here today. It gives me immense pleasure to share with you that today in the cabinet, we have taken transforming decisions. Decisions that will change the education sector in many ways. Of course, a lot more has to be done. But today, with 12 new People's College in different corners and different districts of the state, our youth who did not have access to good quality of higher technical education, didn't have access to graduation. Today, these youth will now be able to go to colleges. These colleges will be able to run by able to give the teachers proper salary, and will be able to deliver and ensure that our youth get the good quality education that they deserve. We have sanctioned the post for our first engineering college in Shillong in our state. And this will pave the way for many, many young budding engineers who would like to take this particular career in the future. We have sanctioned the post today for the Architectural College in Tura, which again will be something that will transform PPP-led MDA government. We have sanctioned over 400 crores for the different self-help groups. This is the kind of small changes and revolution that is taking place in different parts of the state and affecting the lives of the poorest of the poor people in our state, with the intention of ensuring that when we move forward as a state, nobody should be left behind. When we develop and bring in large projects, we should not forget the smallest and the most poorest person in our state. Because we have to remember, we are not here just to develop one road. We are not just here to bring up and start a college. We are not just here to start a PHC or put up a building out there. But we are here to transform our state. We are here to develop overall development for our state. We are here to make sure that we become the top 10 states in the next 10 years. And it is this larger goal, larger mission which drives us. And yes, all these other schemes and plans that we have is part of this large blueprint, large plan that we have. The mini secretariat or the integrated administrative complex that we are coming up with. What is the logic behind it? This is meant to make access of service much better to the people of this region. Once this complex comes up, all offices that do not have offices right now, who are running from rented buildings, will get space in this integrated complex, the mini secretariat. With reforms like People's Service Delivery Act, where we have ensured that a particular service needs to be delivered within a specific time, the policy reforms have been done. Once these policy reforms are done, they have to be linked up with infrastructural developments so that the public service delivery can actually be given to the people on time, and the infrastructure required to give that service is in place. That is a concept with which we have started this mini secretariat concept or this integrated administrative complex concept. We are going to work further closer to the people. We will want that this complex will be able to provide central government, state government, or any kind of other departmental services to the people as close as possible to their own homes. And it is with this mindset that we are working. And therefore, it gives me immense pleasure today to have this integrated administrative complex, the mini secretariat. We have done it in Joy, we are doing it here today in Peninsula, we'll be doing it in Garo Hills in Tura after a week, and hopefully, slowly and steadily, we will expand this concept to other parts of the state. The stadium, the college, this entire integrated complex, the mini secretariat, all these are very, very large-scale development. And I must congratulate the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for all the hard work that he has done for his constituency people, for the people of this area, and not just this constituency. He is a person with a very, very large heart. He is a man with commitment. He is a person who will always keep the interest of the state and the people before any other issue or interest that is there. And that is the quality of a true leader. And today, people of Peninsula are very lucky that people that they are representative, like Dr. Stone Song, is representing this area, a person, because of your vote, because of the fact that they have selected him, he is not just contributing to Peninsula, but he is also making sure that he does his responsibilities and duties and serves the entire state and entire region and all the other 59 constituencies also. So I would like to take this opportunity to once again thank all of you and congratulate all of you. And I would once again like to thank our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for all his hard work and commitment towards his constituency and more so towards the people of the state in all the other parts of the state and different constituencies. So friends, once again, PPP-led MDA government has done in the last 4.5 years. At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty. Our state has been receiving, has come to the blessings from above. I also take this opportunity to thank all the leaders